is my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and a vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dream I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a haze street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by a flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one there disturbed the sound of silence. For said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and as I flashed out floating, and the words that it was spoken, and as I said the words of the prophets are written sideway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in sound of silence.